Living my life with the bad in me, but I don't show it, you know how I be. Keeping it cool, doing good deeds, without the devil coming up on me. Yeah, I do these flows like memories, still regaining all the energy. And I'll keep doing this for centuries. Nobody's gonna stop me. 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 Nobody's gonna stop me.
Welcome back to the channel, Preloader. So today we got this guy right here. Now lately I've just been messing around with the chrome, or polishing the metals off of these Hot Wheels. As you can see, we used a metallic color on this, or the chrome color on this. And this thing is just gorgeous. Wow, videos and pictures don't do anything justice for this guy. It's just beautiful in person. You can see we ended up chrome polishing the Hot Wheel, and that took a little bit of time to do. But as you can see, the end result, gorgeous. Let's go ahead and slap on some wheels on this thing. Alright, so today I'm going to be using these 5 spokes here. These ones are custom 164 wheel alloy. The number for this one is D002A. Check out the detail on this wheel. Wow, highly detailed, and it also's got the red brake caliper in there, and also some rubber tires, as you can see. Alright, for those of you who never seen the insides of Liberty Walk GTR, this is what it looks like. And honestly, for real, like these the interior, or the chassis of this thing, looks super mean. See, that's what it looks like in there. Now I grabbed a 2016, I believe, model, and that's the chassis for that one, so you can see the difference they have in there. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, so you can see, like, Hot Wheels did not just skimp and you know, use the chassis from the 17 model. They made a totally different chassis for it. Alright, first things first, let's go ahead and bend these tabs open. There it is. Alright, as you can see, you got the little axle off those 5-spoke Hot Wheels. Go ahead and put it inside of this thing. Bam, there it goes. First wheel's on. Alright, there's the chassis. And I'm just gonna move it as close as I can. You can see. Try to get it as far as you can in there. I'm gonna go ahead and use some super glue, or some Gorilla super glue gel, and just glue that piece down, let it dry for a little bit, and we should be set. Alright, so check it out. I ended up just super gluing on some axles here. We installed the wheels already, and also added a front mount intercooler on here. Look at that thing. That is looking nice. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the interior here. The mirrors or the windows are already on here. And they also added hand painted tail lights to this thing. You see? Not too shabby. Now, time to snap her all together.
Nobody's gonna stop me. Nobody's gonna stop me.
Boom. There she is. Woo. Looking fresh. Wow. Still can't believe I created this thing. Got that SpectraFlame paint job on there. Aftermarket wheels. Wow. This thing is beautiful. Pictures and videos do not do it justice. Oh my gosh. This thing is hot. Whew. So RLC potential. Redline Club, give me a call. Wow.
Nobody's gonna stop me. 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 Nobody's gonna stop, stop. Nobody's gonna stop. Nobody's gonna stop, stop. Nobody's gonna stop. Yeah, I do these flows like memories. Still regaining all the energy. And I will keep doing this for centuries. Nobody's gonna stop me. 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 Living my life with the bad in me, but I don't show it, you know how I be. Keeping it cool, doing good deeds, without the devil coming up on me. Yeah, I do these flows like man.